Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today my brother actually came up with an idea that we do a content anyway. Simbaya pia. How are you, young man?
I'm good.
Say hi to my people.
Hi. So I go by the name James Leo, but many people like calling me Leo. Yeah, that's my name. So we have a challenge here. Who knows the other one better?
Before we get there, subscribe, like share, and comment.
Yeah.
Before mwaka isha jamani, tutafika hata 500 subscriptions.
Bana.
No. Okay, mwenye kuleta game ndo anaanza.
So let's start. My first question. We have 10 questions. My first question. What was my biggest fear when I was young? Oh, and we actually said the one who is not getting the answer right, he gets a slap.
Hey, get it. Your biggest fear when you were young?
My biggest fear?
Losing dad.
Okay. Sorry. My biggest fear was dark.
Darkness.
I don't like darkness.
Oh, darkness. Sawa. Now I know. Okay.
That was when I was young.
Okay, my first question. What's one thing I love doing?
Singing. Nah, you like singing. That's your hobby.
Sawa. Clock it.
My second question. What is my biggest goal in life right now?
Oh, goal? Career ama achievement?
Yeah, achievement.
In terms of
achievement.
For now?
Right now. Yeah.
Right now?
Yeah.
Si kwenda nini university? Maseno University. Hey! Okay. What's one thing I always say? Yani ile word yenyewe nasemanga. Yani ile tune I always say, something I always say.
Believe in God.
Hata nilisema sahi. Aidegia. I always say thank you Jesus. Aji. I always say just nisema na zile tukimaliza kukula.
Okay. My third question. What is my favorite color?
Black. Hey, that was ndanganya. Kubali tu yeshe black. No. Black. Okay. Hey, Jimmy. My dream car.
Your dream car.
Hey, Jimmy, my dream car. Wogo, hiyo ni ya Tracy.
BMW.
Wogo.
Discovery.
Hakuna.
Range Rover.
Pila whatever kwanza. My dream car.
Sini Discovery.
Hapa, umesikia hata Discovery sijui inaonekana aje. Umesikia nikisema Discovery.
Ni gari ingine kubwa, Range Rover.
Hapana. Ujui dream car yangu. Let me show you my dream car. Let me show him my dream car. Wahala day. Oya. Abeg.
Lexus.
Yes. I got this as a gift from somebody. That's my dream car. Okay.
What is my favorite food?
Maragwe. Favorite cabbage. Aki kama si fish, sasa hukumaliza hiyo fish. It's not your favorite.
Your last chance before
maziwa mala.
Aga.
Nigonge hii side nyingine. Sina mara moja. Oh.
I like chapati.
Hata nilisahau. Sawa. Okay. Unajua mine is so personal, very serious. What do I do when stressed?
Cry. Cry. Analia.
To who? To who?
To God na.
Thank you. Not to people.
What is my phobia?
Darkness.
I told you that was when I was young.
Oh, no. Losing, like dying before. Okay. Dying while young.
My phobia is height.
Phobia yako ni height yako ama ya watu wengine?
Yangu.
Hutaki kukuwa mrefu?
I don't like height, like kukaa place yenye iko juu sana. Like nachukia height. So okay.
Mara moja imetosha. Wow, consider baba hiyo in person. Haya.
Please.
What is something I value the most in life?
Family. Who is my celebrity crush?
International ama local?
International.
We.
Usipompata.
Ni mwimbaji ama?
A Nigerian person.
Ebube.
Hakuna. Zubi Michael.
Zubi Michael is a man your crush.
Si bado ni like. Okay. So ulikuwa ndani yeka aje?
Your favorite actor at least. Hapana, hiyo hapo umeband. Unajua mimi nimefikiria ni msichana. Crush ni msichana.
Sawa, sema msichana. Bado msichana wako.
Wewe msichana anaitwa aje? Ni Angela Bono. Nani adakiriki? Adakiriki.
Sawa. Please.
Okay. What is something I'm currently praying about? Actually, I'm praying for like 3 things. Ukipata any of those 3 ni sawa.
So, wacha niulize guys. Someone is praying for something. Utaambia watu.
Sarah, you know me better. We always pray together.
To get a new job.
Wongo.
Increase of Sarah.
Hey, Jesus Christ. It's not even me work oriented.
I passed my exam.
Okay, hiyo tick, lakini personal yangu mimi.
Yako. Sijui.
Something I'm praying about, Jimmy.
Sijui.
You know me better. Hey, Jimmy. Guess. Unafikiria nini naomba at this age?
To get married. To get a boyfriend.
Ui. Sawa.
Nio. Nitakuelewa.
I want to be a wife, guys. I want to be a wife.
Nakumbuka nikiwa mtoto. Sasa niwaambie. Aliniambia mpaka siku namaliza shule ndiye ataolewa.
Sasa unamaliza shule this year. If I get into a serious relationship that will lead into marriage this year, see next year naenda kwa kina ndoa.
My next question. Who's my favorite auntie? Excluding man.
Ovi.
My favorite auntie.
Auntie Eva.
Wow. Nimejaribu kupata.
Auntie Eva.
My favorite one.
Unajua Auntie Eva by the way alikuwa ananikujianga shule. Nikiwanga primary. God bless you Auntie Eva.
Unipea do.
Oh, okay. Something I will do if I suddenly get a lot of money.
Something we'll do. Build a house.
So hutaki ni travel. Anyway, that hiyo ni priority. Like for mom.
Mimi asioni kama ta travel.
Nita travel. Ai Jimmy, stop confessing.
You had a traveling ticket to Mombasa wapi?
Hiyo ilibako. Siji Tracy aliniruka.
Okay. So, you travel to Nigeria. Who is my real friend? You know my friends. Who is my real friend?
A boy or a girl?
A boy.
Elijah.
My real friend.
Jesus.
Kuna jokes.
Ule mtoto ule wa Kisi school anaitwaje? Ezra. We basi ni fake friend. Mbona unakataa marafiki zako?
I want a real friend. They are my friends, lakini kuna ule mmoja like hadi wewe unamjua, ni vile siwezi anza kukuambia.
Ni Wanyamira ama hapa?
Wanyamira. Nasema Nyamira, anasoma Nyamira Boys.
Okay.
Kabisa.
Nimesema Elijah umekataa.
So kama unjui, nikamgonga.
Lakini ni nani? Wewe ni gonge. But ni nani?
Ni nani? Huwezi mjua sasa.
Ukisha ni gonge, nikisha nini bantu unasema.
Tuendelee maswali.
Nyinyi watu ni fake friend. Mbona unakataa kusema huyo rafiki?
Simruti.
Okay, who is my best friend?
Who's your best friend?
Niko naye.
God.
Hata si God.
Ni Ademora God. Ademora boy. Dema boy.
Ana gender.
So that's God. Jesus
God
Christ.
who? God is in 3.
Jesus Christ. Unaambia thank you Jesus Christ.
Oh yeah.
I've passed.
Umepata.
My last question. What was my nickname when I was young? I'm young but ajui nickname yangu, I'm sure. When I was young.
Ulikuwa na nickname? Ulikuwa na nickname?
Woko
ni jina daddy, kwani yao wazito ya nickname?
First nilikuwa naitwa Jimmy Mogire, sikuwa naitwa Woko.
Ni Jimmy Mogire.
And then Woko ikakuja Woko. Then
Wako hiyo nickname, hiyo ni surname.
It was a nickname. By then Juicy.
Au nigongi juu ikai kweli. Anauliza swali lingine.
Sinja manzo swali yangu.
My dream partner.
Okay. Dream partner. Simujui hivi hata sijui. Unajua acha niseme kweli. Sijajua hata kama sister yangu ana date. Ndio kuna siku yenye msempata na kijana si ako.
Sasa sijua yuko hapa. Hata sulete hata hiyo nini waone. Ndio uelewe my dream partner.
Waone ile flag. Partner.
Anyway.
Your last question.
You had to ask.
Mimi nimemaliza.
Zimeisha. Aziko yenyewe ziko 11. But Jimmy kuna moja hujauliza.
I've asked all of them. Uliza.
Okay. Zimeisha hata mimi.
So, thank you guys.
My dream country.
Dream country.
Not really. Hiyo ni ya partner.
Ni ya partner. Okay. Your dream country. Yes.
Sawa.
Na mimi acha nikuulize. Hii anajua. Kama amesahau. It was not part of my questions. What kind of a girl do I love?
Huyo, wacha niwadescribe. Wow, huyo asipoa kanisa ya uwori. Jimmy loves tall girls. Dark. Please, msichana, if you're not in that category, detoy. Tall, dark, beautiful. Short hair. Alafu mango mrefu.
Kama hivyo wacha.
We. But in some guys, anyway, thank you for joining.
Yeah.
This is our first video together. They should get ready for more.
Yeah, more coming.
This is the one carrying the ideas, so
pranks. Msichana wenyewe atalia. Before partner kuje.
Tajuaje yako.
So, thank you guys. What's your name?
Christabel. My YouTube channel, Christabel Mora. TikTok, Christabel Mora. Instagram, Christabel Mora. LinkedIn, Christabel Mora.
So mine is Tajiri Leo. Instagram, James Leo. TikTok. Facebook, James Leo.
Oh, Facebook, Christabel Mora.
Yeah. Thank you very much. We love you.
Bye.
Share, comment, like.